Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance Virgin Atlantic grounds Boeing 787s. The real reason behind the decision airplane Virgin Atlantic has faced persistent challenges with its Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner fleet, primarily due to ongoing issues with the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 engines. These problems have led to multiple instances of aircraft being grounded or parked for extended maintenance over the years. As of early 2026, the saga continues to impact operations, with recent discussions, including a viral YouTube video dated January 12, 2026, highlighting the airline's long history of reliability woes. Here are 10 key points summarizing the situation. Based on reports up to January 2026, long-standing engine troubles. Virgin Atlantic's 787-9s are powered by Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 engines, which have suffered from recurring problems like blade corrosion, durability issues, and premature wear since the aircraft entered service in 2014. CEO Shai Weiss described it as a 10-year cycle of challenges in late 2024. Groundings and Parking. The airline has repeatedly had to temporarily park or ground 787s awaiting inspections, parts, or repairs. This includes fan blade corrosion fixes and other unscheduled maintenance, reducing fleet availability and impact on 2025 operations. In late 2024, Virgin Atlantic moderated its growth plans for 2025 due to expected ongoing Trent 1000 issues. The problems persisted into the year, with at least one aircraft, e.g., GVWHO, noted as grounded for extended periods in some reports. Fleet size and role. Virgin operates 17 Boeing 787-9s, making them a core part of its long-haul network from London Heathrow. These fuel-efficient Dreamliners fly key transatlantic and beyond routes, but engine woes have made maintenance higher. Network disruptions. Groundings have led to route delays or cancellations, including postponed launches, e.g., to Accra, Ghana, and higher Tel Aviv resumptions in prior years, and swaps to older aircraft like A330s to maintain service. This affects reliability for passengers on premium long-haul flights. Industry-wide issue. Virgin is not alone. Other Trent 1000 operators like British Airways and Air New Zealand have faced similar groundings and schedule cuts due to engine supply chain delays and spare parts shortages from Rolls-Royce. Historical context. The problems date back to the 2010s, with early reliability issues forcing schedule changes as the airline couldn't sustain key markets without enough active 787s. This echoes broader 787 teething problems, though Virgin's Trent variant has been particularly affected. Recent developments. 2026. As of January 2026, discussions continue about the marred 787 operations, from past mass groundings to ongoing challenges. No full fleet grounding has occurred recently, but individual aircraft remain sidelined periodically. Future upgrades planned. Despite the issues, Virgin is investing heavily in the type. From 2028, 14 of its 787-9s will undergo full cabin refurbishments, introducing more premium seats, including retreat suites, reduced economy capacity, and Starlink Wi-Fi fleet-wide starting late 2026. Strategic resilience. The airline mitigates risks by diversifying its fleet with Airbus A330neos and A350-1000s. By 2028, it aims for a younger, more efficient mixed fleet of 45 next-gen aircraft, reducing reliance on the troubled 787s while maintaining its premium transatlantic focus. These engine-related headaches highlight the challenges of pioneering new technology, but Rolls-Royce continues improvements to boost on-wing time. Virgin's 787s remain a key asset for its stylish long-haul product, though passengers should monitor for potential equipment changes. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.